Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in video transitions in CapCut PC. Select your videos like this, and for instance I want to add in a video transition in between these videos. Okay. So to do that, just go to transitions here and select the one you want. You can change the duration like here or over here. You can even apply it to all if you have more than like 2 clips. So select the video transition, apply to all. It's going to apply to this video too. To replace it, you're just going to basically just add in the video transition like the other one. But that is pretty much it, really super simple. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.